Hello everyone, I'm Mr. P. Satra. Once again I'm coming back to you for Python classes. Now today my topic is user input. So this user input I'll explain in details. Before that I want to tell you that you subscribe my channel and you follow my channel. Press the bell icon for the notification. So please let us start our today's topic, that is user input. What is user input? Actually whenever we accept some values, means we feed the data into the computer. So whenever we feed the data into the computer, we need some statement for the user. We throw some statement actually for the user. After seeing that information, after seeing the statement, we will give some value. Now the programmer, they are doing the program, but actually those who are operating the computer, they are called user. So the user will follow the statement, then he can understand or she can understand what to give. That is a number or text or something different. So today we will understand how to feed the data into the computer using the statement, using input statement. So this place I have written, that is one code, this code block I will show you in computer also. So let us see how to feed data into the computer. So in this program you see I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines code. Only these 3 lines I have taken for user input. I have taken for user input. When it will accept a text, you see that enter a text. I want to give any word, any name, something like this. Definitely we have to use input statement. See that how we are taking variable name, it is NA. We can take any other variable name, that is your choice. Okay. So the variable name, that how to write the variable name, that you have to follow the rules, that is alphabets, letters and underscore. Only this characters combinations you can write the variable name. Now this NA is a variable. This variable we are taking enter a text. Whenever this message will visible in the computer screen, suppose if you write this code, what will happen in the computer terminal window, we will get like this. We will get this statement, enter a text. Enter a text dot dot dot. How many dots I have given? That many dots will come. Now you write your name, suppose any text you are writing, not a name, enter a text you are writing A, B, C, D. This text you are writing. That means this word or the text we are placing into the variable NA. Where we are placing that one? In NA. If you print this NA, it will be printed. I have not written here print statement for this NA. You can write computer, if you print NA this variable, computer will show you after showing this. But before that, let me tell you that what are the other inputs I have taken. This, how many inputs I have taken in this program? 3 inputs. First input for the text. Second input, enter first number. Enter first number means a number you want to take. Suppose I want to process, I want to make sum of 2 numbers. But that 2 numbers I have to accept from the user. So user will give that value. So how user will give the value? We have to throw some statement for the user. This is enter first number. Whenever you are giving the first number, this statement will come. You see that is taking, we are accepting that number using input. Input means the number you are accepting. This way, if you take the number, it is coming as a text. Suppose 25 I have written. This will be accepting, we are taking that number as text. But if you write this int, that means that text will be converted into integer form. Then we can process that number for arithmetical process. You see that number, suppose I have taken 25. So after using this statement, one more statement we are writing, one more thing we are writing, that keyword int. If you write this int, suppose I have taken 25. So that 25 will come into this variable. This 25 will be here. So num 1, what is the first number I am taking? The first number I am taking as 25. Again, in a similar manner, we will see input enter second number. If you are taking the second number, so second number also we are accepting. Suppose 30. I'm taking 30 as a second number. So using this input statement, we are taking the number, but the number we are taking in text mode, means text form. Then we have to convert that number into integer form. So this is the command, that int, this keyword we have to use to convert that text number. That means the number is in text form, that number will be converted into this num2 in integer form. So first integer is this, second integer is this, and this is I've taken a single text. So I want to show you right now only integer and text. Lot more things are there. Boolean value is there, floating value is there, means float type of data is there also. We can take lot of things, means whatever the data are available for the computer, so that type of data we can accept using the input statement. After using the input statement, we have to convert that one into our required form. Okay, now see, I've taken this number. Now this num1 and num2, these two variables, it is the first num1 variable and this is the num2 variable. This num1 and num2 variable we are processing in this way, num1 plus num2 variable we are processing, we are doing sum, and after summing up, then we are going for average. So if you write this code, what will happen? We are getting sum, we are getting average, as well as what the text you have taken by the input method, by the input function. So that one we are also printing. So if you take right at this moment, if you take, so this statement enter, if you run this code, what will happen? Enter a text, we have taken the text, now enter first number, enter first number, enter first number. Suppose you have given, what I have written? 25. You have written 25. Then enter second number, dot dot dot, 30 I have taken. Now press the enter key. What will happen? Computer will show you how many print statement I have given. This 3 print line I have given. How many print line I have given? 3 print line I have given. This 3 print line will show you the result. For the sum, what I'll get? Sum 25 and 30, it will be how much? 25, 30, 55. Then average, what the average will come? You can27, how much? 27.5. Okay, so the average will be 27.5. Now the second one and the third one, what is that? It is a text, whatever we have taken, a text. I have taken ABCD. What I have taken ABCD, that will be printed here, A, B and C, D. So this is how we are accepting the text, or how we are accepting the number. This is the way that we will accept these things. And this code I will write right now, I will write in the computer, then you can see it very clearly. So just a minute, I'll write this code in the computer. Please see this. I'll check this number. Okay, please see this. Now you will see my terminal. You can understand it very clearly. Let's see. Let me write the code. Please follow this. First one, I have to write this one in which mode? In direct mode or indirect mode. First, in my first class, I've explained that indirect mode and direct mode both. Means now we have to write this one in file. So this is my file option. We are coming this place. I'll write my code. Okay. So let me write my code, that is NA. What I'm writing? NA equal to what is that? NA equal to, I'll take as input, 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 enter a text, dot dot dot, quotation close. Then coming for the second line, num1 equal to int, you write input, input, enter first number, enter first number, like this. Now num2 equal to int, input, second number. So now we will write that sum equal to num num1 plus num num2. This is for summation. Now average AVG, any variable name you can write. So this is SUM sum by 2. Then computer print word sum. Computer you show me average AVG, variable name is average, and computer you show me print the text, variable name NA text. Now close this. Now what to do? We have to save this file. How to save this file? That I already have explained in the first class. That is run option. Go to the run option and run module. So run module, you see that source must be saved. OK to save. So if you press OK, what will happen? This file will be saved, as well as this we can go for the test. OK. So let's see that what is coming. Computer is asking a file name. Suppose today I am writing a file name test103. Test103. After writing this, automatically the python.py, the extension name will come. So computer save this file. You see this. What is coming first? Enter a text. What is coming? Enter a text. I told you that I want to write a text A, B, C, D in capital. Suppose I want to give it capital. So after writing this in capital, you see the next one. What is that next one? Next value I have taken 25. On the board I have explained. I have taken the first number 25 and the second number I have taken 30. So computer show me the result. You see that how I have tested on the board, that the same result I can show you in computer monitor. Okay, so this is what this things, that is what this is the terminal window. In this terminal window we are getting the text, whatever the message means, how whenever we are using the input function, that time what the message we will write, the same message will be visible in the computer screen, and that message, using that message, user can understand what to give. Without any message, how the user will come to know that what I have to give. So I have written enter a text. User can understand that definitely I have to give some text like name, like address, any text alphabets which are related. Now the second thing, computer you enter first number. So computer will enter, it is waiting for me to send the value, means to write the value. So we have to write the value from the keyboard, that 25. And the second number it's asking, second number is 30. So second number we are giving. After giving this, I have calculated a minor thing, that is sum and average, and I have explained, that is I have taken that ABCD, that text we are printing. So this is just I want to explain that how to accept that, how to use the input statement for taking some value from the user. This is the way that we can use. Okay, so a lot more things to tell you all. So one by one I'll tell you. So today is first the second class. I have kept it for user input. So maybe I have made it clear for all of you. So thank you very much. You try to subscribe my channel, try to follow my channel. I'll upload more videos like this that will be more interesting. So thank you very much for today. Bye.